things from Amazon. I don't know, Amazon shopping is just like brings me so much joy. My water bottle broke, like the handles broke off and it's just been leaking a lot. So I got a new tumbler. I got a little water tumbler that the handle won't break out of. And I love this water bottle because it's 2 liters, but it's just really frustrating. But I did get a big tumbler. I think this is 1.5 or 1.2 liters of water it holds. It's like a knockoff Stanley cup basically. But yeah, I got a nice quality tumbler. Now hopefully this won't just break on me easily. Another thing that broke is my sandwich press. It was just a really cheap quality sandwich press. Like it broke really easily, which was a little bit worrisome to me. So I got a nicer quality panini press because we eat a lot of sandwiches in this house. It's like snacky foods and when we're too lazy to cook. So I'm really excited to use this tonight for dinner. But yeah. It's rainy season, also known as my least favorite time of the year. If you have watched my videos for a while, then you know I hate monsoon so much. I don't understand people that like romanticize rains. You can't do anything. Everything's gloomy. Going out is a struggle because everything's wet. You get wet. It's just I hate rainy season. I also get really bad seasonal depression. Like I'm very like sensitive to like sun. So when it's gloomy, I just like feel demotivated. I feel like low on energy and mentally. I'm so upset. But Shane and I are gonna go get tattoos right now, which is very exciting. I actually haven't gotten a tattoo in quite a while, so I'm really excited. I'm just wearing a tank top because we need my arms to be visible so I can get it tatted. And I'm wearing my favorite jeans from my collection with Freakins. Go shop. But yeah, we're gonna leave now to go get tattoos. Wrapped up. I love them. It's been so long since I got a tattoo. I actually can't remember the last time. Even today the people were like, how come it's been so long? Because usually I was in there like every month. But yeah, it's been I think like 5 or 6 months since I got a tattoo last, which is a long time for me. But we just got home. I have a physiotherapy appointment in like 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm quickly gonna make sandwiches for dinner using my new panini press. I'm just taking care of some work right now. I just spent the morning filming a brand deal and I have to upload the podcast episode, the new podcast episode. So go watch it because by the time this video goes up, the podcast episode is out. This one is with Shane. It's a really fun one where we talk about compatibility, conflict resolution, pet peeves, all sorts of fun things like that. I just ordered a bunch of food because today we're doing a little Father's Day dinner at my house. So me and Shane are hosting a Father's Day dinner night, dinner party kind of thing for me, Shane, my dad, of course, and my mom. We were going to go out, but unfortunately, my baby Kai is sick. So we're doing this at home instead. So I'm just gonna quickly set up all the food that I ordered in bowls and plates. My parents are probably gonna come in like 15 minutes to half an hour. So right before they come, I'll probably heat it all up, but I'm just gonna keep it ready in the bowls and stuff right now. Got some mushroom sliders. We got some lamb tacos, some grilled chicken. Oh no, this is the grilled chicken. What is this? Oh, this is the chicken risotto. Also got some truffle cauliflower risotto. And last but not the least, some avocado dip. I think hopefully this is enough food for everyone. Another day, another Amazon package. I got a new toaster. Why, you ask me? I don't know. I just wanted a new toaster. The one we had only had 2 slots, but Shane and I wanted more than 2 slots, and that was literally the only reason I got a new toaster. My new toaster has been set up. I love it. It even has a defrost option, which is crazy because Shane and I do freeze bread sometimes. But this is so exciting to me. There's, I think, 7 toast levels. I love it. I also got another thing that came today, which I'm really excited about. It might be a little strange and unexpected, but I got a t-shirt made with Shane's face on it. Why, you ask? Because I'm obsessed with my fiance. Look at it. I love it. I kind of want to put it on now. This was probably the most unnecessary purchase and waste of time because I spent an hour making this collage on Canva for this t-shirt. I'm waiting for Shane to come back and then I want to see his reaction. Oh, I think that's actually him.
Oh. Wow, that's hilarious. Oh, I love it.
It's a little bit later. I just showered. I'm going for an event with Karima in Ida. It is a really fun event. It's the launch of Gigi's cocktail book. I think it's like a cocktail making book or something like that, like a recipe book. I'm not really sure what the book is, but it sounds really exciting to me. And they have like a special guest bartender and stuff, which is supposed to be a surprise. So I don't really know who it's gonna be. Hopefully it's someone fun. But yeah. So our night out is starting with Ida's broken shoe.
I'll show you.
So there. If this doesn't get fixed.
Is this mochi?
Oh, did we find a mochi?
हाँ ये तो mochi है.
ये mochi है?
या कुछ ऐसा है.
नहीं नहीं.
ये नहीं.
Ida, they have anda over there.
खाने का दुकान है.
यहाँ पे सेलो टेप मिल जाएगा.
सेलो टेप वो भी मिल जाएगा.
अच्छा हाँ मोची वो जूता वाला है.
Oh है? Woo! Everyone celebrate!
The mochi. अच्छा अच्छा.
Oh जल्दी से फिर.
मार दो. चौक जाएंगे. Excuse me. Not saying she said, should I offer him 500?
I was doing all this. She just whip out like 10K. You sad? Here you go. I have like minus 8,000 in my bag.
Literally, but I'll still give you that.
He's saying 50 रुपए is more than enough. लेते तो 10-20 रुपए है. 50 दे देना. Alia saying 500.
I just want to make sure that we can have a good night without you having to wear these ugly blue chappals.
She just wants
Those are not gonna work.
Yeah, no.
Hi.
The
When I came
perfect
into the
start.
car, she said, no, you can wear this. I'm also wearing chappals. Look at her chappals. Look at my chappals.
That's
Are you
the
kidding?
after swimming vibe. That chappal is. She's eating a
I was at the
cutlet
gym.
while.
Firstly,
Yeah,
I
I was at
can't
the
believe
gym.
she's gotten ready at the club.
I can't believe it's
else,
called The Club.
What's the name?
What the fuck?
The name is
know.
The.
There was a club in Calcutta called What's in the Name.
That's still better than the club.
Yeah, at least it has a name.
That's true.
They were too lazy and they were like, what can we name this club? This
What?
club? No, this club is too common. The club. But this is a perfect start to a night out. This would only happen to us.
That is so true. I have walked into the car thinking Ida is like really going through it. Because I missed
She
her
looks so
personal life
depressed.
update. She was distraught.